I got an EAS. I got an EAS.
The following message is transmitted
Oh,
in
yes.
the Texas Division of Emergency Management. The Little Elm Police Department is searching for Tyler Martrell Neal, black male, age 5 years old, date of birth
A child abduction emergency.
2005, 47 inches, 59 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, and last seen wearing blue jeans, green and blue button-down plaid shirt, black and white Nike shoes, blue and gray Nike windbreaker, and the SpongeBob backpack. Police are looking for Cynthia Neal, black, female, 31 years old, date of birth 11/31/1980, 5 feet 4 inches, 180 pounds, black hair and brown eyes. In his abduction, the suspect is known to wear wigs. The suspect is driving a yellow 2006 Chrysler PT Cruiser with the Texas license plate number C5K500. The suspect was last heard from in Little Elm, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Little Elm Police Department at 469